In this short tutorial, I will show you how to remove multiple accounts on TikTok. Having multiple accounts can be confusing, so it's important to know how to remove them if you no longer need them. To get started, open up the TikTok app and then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right. And then tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, scroll down to the very bottom. Tap Log Out. Tap Log Out one more time to confirm it. Now it will show you this page, and you have the ability to remove multiple accounts. To do that, tap on the trash can icon next to the TikTok account that you want to remove. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.